All right. Thought I'd show you my progress. I got all my locker boxes in, except for that one. And I'm just out of gas. I really wanted to get that thing built today. I wanted this shit up. But it didn't happen. But there's always tomorrow. And then I gotta make all the doors. Actually, so it's gonna be doors up there where you can't reach. And then in the backs of these lockers, it's gonna be this slat wall system. Oh, you hang hooks and shit on or something. But so far, so good, I guess. Glad I got that bench seat in there the way I wanted it. But I thought I'd show you what $500,000 worth of cabinets look like. This is the pantry. These floating shelves, these guys, they worked their ass off on them because they're so heavy and they didn't have any positive tide to speak of in the middle. Collectively, they came up with a Dow epoxy solution, and it worked. They're pretty good. Some more there. There's the infamous slide. There's all my material that I'm going to use to make the round wall. Got it clamped up flat, acclimating, at least trying to get the same moisture content or relative humidity or whatever. And I mean, these guys really are the shit. They get these reveals perfect. I mean, when you go upstairs and look in those closets with those other half-assed, drawers aren't level, and no, it's just a world of difference between somebody who knows what the fuck they're doing and a bunch of high school kids. But the thing I really wanted to show Mom you see that? Looks like somebody committed an assault, and somebody did. We came in here this morning, and what was laying on the floor but this guy. Giant bullfrog. Apparently somebody left the door open, it wasn't us. And the cats went down to the pond, caught this giant bullfrog, brought it up in the house and feasted on it. But the thing I think my mom will really like is look what's in the bullfrog's mouth. Can you see that, Mom? There's a little crayfish in there. So maybe the cat wanted to eat the crayfish and the bullfrog just got in the way. I don't know. But there you go. Another crazy heart job tale. Bullfrogs in a $500,000 kitchen. Who'd have thought it? I thought you might appreciate that. All right, I'm going home. going to come back tomorrow and finish that locker. All right, see ya.